From high above the clouds, the A-18 Hornet slices through the sky like a blade of thunder. Sleek, agile, and built for domination, its silhouette from the air is instantly recognizable. Twin tails, sharp wings, and the roar of twin engines echoing through the heavens. As the jet banks left, sunlight glints off its aerodynamic frame, revealing the perfect balance between form and function. Its wings, swept back with precision, give it unmatched maneuverability, allowing it to twist and turn midair with grace and deadly accuracy. The tail fins stabilize it even at breakneck speeds, while its nose, sharp and focused, leads the way with purpose. From above, the Hornet looks like a bird of prey in full hunt. You can almost feel the intensity of its mission. Whether it's flying solo or in formation, the A-18 commands attention. Each movement, each turn, is deliberate, a dance of power and precision. Zooming in closer, you can see the cockpit canopy, crystal clear and reinforced, sheltering the pilot who controls this beast of the sky. The HUD, or heads-up display, glows softly as data streams across, giving real-time updates of targets, altitude, and speed. Beneath the fuselage, the weapon stations are loaded and ready, capable of carrying everything from air-to-air missiles to guided bombs. As it dives low, hugging the terrain, the engines leave a trail of vapor and power. Then, with a sudden climb, it shoots back into the open blue, disappearing into the sun like a phantom. From an aerial view, the A-18 isn't just a machine. It's a symbol of strength, of precision, of modern warfare's cutting edge. Developed by McDonnell Douglas and Northrop, and now operated by Boeing, it has served in countless missions around the globe. Whether it's carrier takeoffs, mid-air refueling, or dogfights, the Hornet proves again and again why it's one of the most trusted jets in the world. This bird doesn't just fly, it dominates the skies. The A-18 Hornet. A masterpiece of engineering, a guardian of the air.